Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, as far as the settings of the logo blocks is concerned, the first option that you get to see is this style. Now you can select either for it to be rounded or it to be the default style. It is totally up to you how you want to display your logo. At times you will see sites have a round logo, at times you will see websites have a square logo or a vertical logo or whatever logo. Now the next option that you will see is the settings. Now the first option in the settings is the image width. Now using this bar you can increase or decrease the width of the logo. I will just go ahead and do it for you once. So using this option you can basically change the image width and whatever size fits well for your website, you can go ahead and select that. Next option is link image to home. Now if this option comes pre-enabled with the logo block, and what this option does is when anybody clicks on the logo on your website, it will automatically take them to the home page. Now on several websites you must have seen, when you click the logo of the website, it takes you to their home page. This option does just that. Now apart from this, there is another option which is open a new tab. In case you want the website to open in a new tab, then this is the option that you have to select. And if you want to use this logo as the site icon, then you can click enable this option and it will be used as the site icon, which is the favicon, and it will be displayed over here. Now it's totally up to you what you want to do with this block. Now you can use the image block in pages and posts as well and display your logo wherever you want to do on your site. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.